Hi there, how are you today? I'm here with another interesting topic as part 3 of our video series on the future of AI. Today, we'll explore how AI connects with the story of change throughout human history and what this means for the future. Change is the story of humanity. Across millennia, societies have risen and fallen. Technologies have reshaped the world, and cultures have transformed. Change is not just inevitable, it's the driving force behind progress. The Industrial Revolution reshaped our world, just as the digital revolution is doing today. Each transformative era challenges humanity to adapt, innovate, and redefine its place in the world. Even nature tells this story. After the Jurassic Era, where dinosaurs ruled the Earth, a catastrophic event led to their extinction. But this wasn't the end. It was the beginning of something new. In their place, Homo sapiens gradually emerged, adapting to their environment and becoming the dominant species on Earth. This is the cycle of evolution, a process of adaptation, survival, and transformation. Today, we stand on the brink of another transformative era, the rise of AI-driven robotics. Just as the industrial and digital revolutions reshaped the world, this new robotic era challenges us to rethink our place in the world. As intelligent machines evolve, we face an important question. Will humanity adapt and thrive, or resist and stagnate? History shows us that those who embrace change are the ones who shape the future. From the printing press to the internet, progress has always required us to embrace the impermanence of the present. Resistance to change only leads to stagnation, while adaptability leads to growth. The robotic era is not the end, it's a new chapter. Like every transformative moment in history, it's an opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate. But to shape the future, we must embrace change. Human history teaches us that change is inevitable. The question is, how will you adapt? How will you shape the future? Stay tuned as we continue this journey into the future of AI. Like, share, and subscribe to explore what's next. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food.